97 Jongert 1991 The Jongert 2900M Semi-Custom Series presents a range of 29-meter sailing yachts designed by Tony Castro to combine grace and elegance with exceptional performance. With her steel hull and aluminium superstructure, the sloop design is a precise, fast cruiser. Alta Marea is the embodiment of Dutch quality, synonymous with premium handcrafted design, construction and finish. This maintained, powerful yacht is easy to handle due to the fully hydraulically operated sail and furling system, the hydraulic bowthruster and a transom hatch that also transforms into a bathing platform. Alta Marea's accommodation offers 3 suites for up to 8 guests, comprising of 1 owner's cabin and 2 twin cabins with Pullman. She is also capable of carrying up to 3 crew on board to ensure a relaxed luxury yacht experience.